Are you looking to streamline your Apple payment settings? Today we are diving into how to remove Apple Cash from your payment and shipping options in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open Settings. Grab your iPhone or iPad and launches the Settings app. Access your account. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Payment and shipping. Next, select Payment and Shipping. Here you will see all your payment methods linked to your account. Edit payment method. Tap on Edit in the top right corner. You'll notice a red delete button next to your Apple Cash option. Remove Apple Cash. Hit the red delete button, then confirm by tapping Remove. Check for restrictions. If you encounter issues removing Apple Cash, ensure you don't have any active subscriptions or unpaid balances, as this can prevent removal. Alternative devices. If you're using a Mac or a Windows PC, you can also manage your payment settings through the App Store or iTunes by following similar steps. Online management. You can remove your payment method by signing into applied or appleid.apple.com and managing your payment information there. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily remove Apple Cash from your payment methods and keep your account organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to help you out. Thanks for watching.